Queens, here's another technique on how to save your edges while doing your faux lock installation. Of course, you want to invert that hook, but right here I'm going to press down my finger on the edge before I go ahead and loop this hair in. This will definitely help to save those edges. And then I'm going to put that through, and then you can see how easily you can go front, back, up, down, and side with the braid. So let's proceed and do another one, and it's very, very simple, very easy. Invert that hook and go ahead and put your pre-looped faux lock on the end, feed it through, and go ahead and loop it. But see how I'm pressing my finger down to hold that so that there's no further irritation to the person's scalp. So I hope this helped you, Queen. Enjoy. Queens, here is your bonus tip. By using a knitting needle, this helps if your client has a tender or sensitive scalp. You simply thread the needle through the cornrow and then thread your hair in between the slot, pull it through, pull the hair out, and then insert the strand through the loop. And there you have it. Very quick, very easy, very simple, and you have a happy client.